Assalamu alaikum. This is Kulsum Zehra, your mentor for the course of English Grammar. In this lecture, we'll learn the use of shall and will. First of all, will is used in conditions when we decide to do something at the time of speaking, as, oh, I've left the door open, I'll go and shut it. It means that I've recently decided to go and shut the door. Similarly, I feel a bit hungry, I think I'll have something to eat. In spoken English, we usually use won't as the negative of will not, as I can see you're busy, so I won't stay long. This means that we do not usually use will to talk about things that we have already decided or arranged to do. In this case, we use a present continuous, as I'm going on holidays next Saturday, but I cannot say that I'll go on holidays next Saturday because I had previously decided to go on holiday, so I'll say I'm going on holidays next Saturday instead of I'll go on holidays next Saturday. We usually use will in one of the four conditions, which are to offer something to do, to agree to do something, to promise to do something, or to ask somebody to do something. First of all, we use will to show that we are offering to do something, as that bag looks heavy, I'll help you with it. Secondly, we use will to show our agreement to do something, as can you give Tim this book? Sure, I will give it to him when I see him this afternoon. Likewise, we also use will when we promise to do something, as thanks for lending me money, I'll pay you back on Friday. I won't tell anyone what happened, I promise. In this condition, we have used the negative of will to promise to do something. The fourth condition is asking somebody to do something, as will you please turn the stereo down? I'm trying to concentrate. We use shall I or shall we to question or to ask for someone's opinion, as shall I open the window? Here a question is being asked, which means that do you want me to open the window? Similarly, I've got no money, what shall I do? Here an opinion or a suggestion is being asked, as what do you suggest? Another example can be where shall we go this evening? So we use shall I or shall we basically to ask or to question or to ask for someone's opinion. We usually use will with words like probably, expect, sure, think, not think, and wonder, as I'll probably be home late night. Similarly, I haven't seen Carol today, I expect she'll phone this evening. Or, don't worry about the exam, I'm sure you'll pass. For think, we can say, do you think Sarah will like the present we bought her? Or for I don't think, we can say, I don't think the exam will be very difficult. Or for wonder, we can say, I wonder what will happen. So for these words, we have used will. Though we know that we usually use will to talk about future, but sometimes we also use will to talk about present or now, as don't phone Anne now, she'll be busy. It means that she will be busy right now. Here, in this example, we have used will to talk about present instead of a present form. Also, we know that with subjects like I and we use shall, and with subjects like he, she, it, they, you, singular or plurals, we use will. But in spoken form, we normally use I will and we will, as we'll probably go to Scotland. Thank you so much. For more videos, do subscribe the channel.